Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. These are my doodling artworks and you will be seeing freehand painting fabric artworks too, and I take order works and I teach online professional certificate courses. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, orchid flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white, and those interested can buy. Do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. This is freehand fabric painting course and those interested can join online. This is tanjore on fabric and basic course is for 1000. These two designs will be taught. In tanjore also you have basic and advanced courses. Those interested can join online. This is Warli Ramayana by one of my friend artist Seema Subedar. These artworks are by some other artist friend KS. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.